If you're looking for a mobile, economical, and convenient insulation blowing machine, consider the convenient AccuOne 9218, a solid introductory model for the rising insulation contractor or for the ambitious general contractor ready to add another lucrative service to their business. At only 175 pounds, the 9218 is our lightest and most easily portable professional machine. Yet its welded steel construction and powder-coated finish render it rugged enough to deliver years of reliable service while resisting damage and corrosion. The 1.5 horsepower drive motor is guaranteed to process even the toughest blowing materials. The motor powers AccuOne's signature agitator shredder system that provides streamlined material dispersal that is both time and cost effective. The 12.9 amp 3-stage blower provides the power required to blow attics or dense pack walls in a minimal amount of time. Rugged hopper guards provide safety for the operator. AccuOne's 9218 is designed to be used with two separate 115-volt 15-amp household receptacles. This sought-after feature is rare to find from other manufacturers and eliminates the difficulties and headaches that come with finding a safe, compatible industrial-grade power source at residential work sites. All you need are common household power outlets and you're ready to go. The 9218's recessed control panel is designed to help you avoid unintended power shutdowns. The control panel is modular so that it can be easily removed and shipped out for maintenance or repair.
AccuOne Direct, manufactured and sold direct to you.